pod. Large chunks of ice, you can call them small icebergs, have washed up along the Cape. Check this out. This is video from Wellfleet. Now, these scenes are just the latest and unusual images we've been seeing during this record-setting winter.
Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, more melting of that ice tomorrow, not completely, of course, but big warm-up on tap for you Wednesday afternoon. Meanwhile, we're still tracking rain on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. Good news here, temperatures above freezing, so we're not dealing with ice or snow. This will continue for several more hours. It'll finally quit just before sunrise. We're thinking around 5 o'clock in the morning. So the threat tracker now through tomorrow and Thursday in the low category. And if anything, we've got a real big warm up in terms of relative the temperatures for tomorrow afternoon as far as where we should be for this time of year. So rain showers continue. Major meltdown. How warm are we talking? Well, not 70s and 80s, obviously, but mid and upper 50s once skies start to clear out, the sun comes out. So there'll be a lot of puddles on the roads, but no ice. Temperatures well above freezing. Unfortunately, the weekend still looks unsettled, especially Saturday. We'll show you that in just a second. Somewhere down there, downtown Providence, of course, low clouds and areas of fog and rain. Temperatures now in the upper 30s to low 40s. In Bedford, 42. Providence, 38. And Gloucester coming in at 39. Rain in Warwick right now, high humidity, and a temperature at 40. And again, staying well above the freezing mark. So unlike late last night, early this morning, we don't have any issues with black ice. There were a number of traffic accidents this morning due to black ice. That's not the situation tomorrow. Roads will be wet, but not icy. Temperatures now, again, upper 30s to low 40s along the South Shore. Visibility has been coming down. There is a dense fog advisory for coastal Connecticut, and we may need a dense fog advisory here during the overnight hours. Visibility dropping to about a mile in Providence, 2.5 miles in Westerly, as well as New Bedford. Out over the border in Willimantic, it's already at a half mile, so that'll continue through probably 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Here's the wider view showing the area of rain that's working through right now. Drier air to our north, working in by, I would say, 5 o'clock in the morning and thereafter. So kind of a slow start in the morning as far as sunshine. Starting off at 11 o'clock this evening with areas of rain, temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s. Tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., the rain is gone, but it's a damp start. Low clouds, areas of fog, and the clearing will take place from north to south. 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Look at this, upper 50s. Clouds still linger near the South Shore, so initially it's still cool in places like Newport. But watch what happens by mid to late afternoon. Once the sun breaks out in Newport, you finally recover to temperatures in the 50s. So again, from north to south, we'll see that clearing trend taking place. So early morning clouds and fog, but by mid to late morning, we start to brighten. Temperatures will start to respond. Upper 40s at 11 a.m. and mid and upper 50s tomorrow afternoon. A lot of melting, a lot of puddles on the roads. 7-day Futurecast shows cooler but nice weather on Thursday. Friday, a little colder at 40. Again, the weekend looking unsettled, especially Saturday. This is mostly rain, but in the morning it may start off with some wet snow and sleet going over to rain, then all rain later Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. Quite a bit of it, perhaps over an inch, which means there may be some at least minor street flooding Saturday night. Some leftover rain and snow showers Sunday morning, not too serious. Temperature at 42. Sunshine, cool and dry on Monday with a temperature at 43 degrees. So once the fog burns off early tomorrow morning, it is springtime in the afternoon. Temperatures in the upper 50s. Some spots, if you clear out fast enough, could come close to 60. So a lot of melting.
Did he say 60? Did he say spring?
I think I heard it, but I've been hearing things, so I'm not sure.
I mean, if you forecast 58, you might as well round it off to 60.
You know, we have no problem with that, Anthony.
No, not at all.
If only it would stay that way now, right?
That's the game plan, hopefully.
Right. Thank you, Tony.